Okay, in this chapter video, we're still in chapter 10, section 9. So we're doing translations. These are just more examples. So you have the St. James heading at the top. Then you write underneath that, chapter 10, section 9, underline that in red. And then you write translations, underline that in red. And then part 2. Again, this is just to keep you organized. Okay, so we have to translate the triangle, which I did not write, did not draw. So let's draw that right now. Okay, and we're just moving the triangle 5 spaces to the left. So here's my triangle. Okay, triangle A, B, C. So with this triangle, let's first find our coordinates. So um, we are going to just get our, where they're, the numbers, where coordinates means where it's located. So if I count over 1, 2, 3, okay, A is -4 spaces in the x direction. Remember, x is always first. And then y, how many spaces up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces up. So it's +6. And then b is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces left, -6. And then 1, 2, 3 spaces up. So +3. And then c is 2 spaces left. So that's -2, and then 2 spaces up. So that's +2. So now I need to just move every point just 5 spaces left. So A is going to get 5 spaces, B and C all going to get 5 spaces to the left. To the left. Okay. So left, remember that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is there. Okay. So now it's A prime. Remember, prime means it's a new image, and then B, 2 spaces left. 5 spaces left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and don't panic. Okay, we're off the grid, not a big deal. So you just approximate where the next line would be. Not a problem. We can handle that. And then C is 5 spaces left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is C. So the C kind of runs into your lettering. It's not a problem. So now let's write the new coordinates where the point is. So if the A here was a -4, well then -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. So this is -9 spaces, and then 6 up. B is, again, was at -6, so then it's -7, -8, -9, -10, -11 spaces left, and still at 3 in the y direction because we didn't go up or down, we just went to the left. And then C prime is just 5 spaces to the left. So this is, if this is at -2, so then it's -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So it's a -7, comma 2. Okay, so those are my new coordinates. When it says, find the location, or you want to write, you always write your coordinates for the old and new location. Let's try another one. Here we go. Okay, so now translate the rectangle 2 units right and 5 units up. So to the right, 5 units up. Okay, so I have A, B, C, D. This is my rectangle, and I'm going 2 units right. Oh, we got to get the coordinates first. So A is at, we always do X first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the left. Negative, -6. And then it's down, 1, 2, negative, down 3 units. Okay, B is down, over 2, so -2, down -3. And then C is over 2, -2, down -5. And then D is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 6, -6, down -5. Okay, so now we get the new points. We're going to the right 2 spaces and up 5. So to the right, 1, 2, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So A prime is there. Remember, prime is the new image. B goes over 2, 1, 2, and then up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's B prime. And then C, again, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right on the origin. Remember that middle is the origin, so that's C prime. And then D over 2, 1, 2, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right on that y-axis. This is your y-axis there. So that's D prime. Okay, and we connect all the dots there. And now we find their coordinates, where they are located. So A prime is 1, 2, 3. It is at -4. And in the x direction, remember x goes first and then y. And then it's up 2. So it's +2. B prime is at x is 0 because it's right on the line there. And then it's up +2. C prime is at the origin, so that's 0, 0. And then D prime is at x is 1, 2, 3, -4, and then it's on the axis, so it's at 0 for the y direction. Okay, let's try another one. Translate the triangle 4 units left and 4 units down. So we're going to the left and we're going down. Okay, so first I got to find where they start, the coordinates where they start. So in the x direction, remember x goes first, then y. It's a -1, comma, and then it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 7, so +7. B is over 2, -2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C is it's on the y-axis, so it's at 0, and then it's up 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay, so now we have to move it left and down. So left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is A prime. All right, B is again going left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. That's B prime. And then C prime, again, over and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Lost my page again. Let me just go back down here. So again, that's 1, 2, 3. Oops. Whoops. Try that again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. I lost my B prime. There we go. C prime. Okay. So that's the new image after I moved it the right spaces. So A prime, the new coordinates are 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so -5 spaces to the left. And then, oh, I keep doing that. Sorry about that, guys. I keep losing my page. Here we go. Okay, and so that's -5. And then it is up 1, 2, 3 spaces. And then B prime is now on the x-axis. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's -6 because it's on the x-axis. Y is 0. And then C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's -4 and its y is 0. Okay, so those are the new coordinates for A, B, C. A prime, B prime, and C prime. All right, so now we have a trapezoid. A trapezoid. It's a trapezoid because there's one side that's not parallel. Okay, so it is not a square, it's a trapezoid. Okay, all right. And we're going to translate this 5 units to the right and 3 units down. Okay, first we'll start off by finding where the coordinates are right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, comma 4. And then B is 1, 2, negative 3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then C is 1, 2, 3, negative 3, comma 1, 2. Positive, oops, positive 2. And then D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5, comma 2. Okay, now we're going to move it 5 units to the right and 3 units down. So 5 units to the right. So starting with B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1, 2, 3. So this is B prime. Prime means it's the new image. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3 units down. Okay, so that's right there. That's C prime. And then A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's A prime. And then D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3. Sorry again, I lost the page again. Okay. Okay. So this is D prime. All right. So here is my new image. Okay. And again, A prime, a coordinate is just, it's on the y-axis, so it's 0, comma, 1, positive 1. B prime is 2, comma, 2. C prime is negative 2. Nope. Now I'm just being silly. 2, comma, negative 1. There we go. And D prime is on the y-axis, so it's 0, comma, negative 1. Okay, and if you're getting confused about how to find your coordinate, all your different coordinates, then you need to review how to count on a coordinate plane. All right, problem for next class. You need to translate the triangle 4 units right and 3 units down. 4 units to the right and 3 units down. 4 units right, 3 units down. Okay, and again, if I forgot to give you graph paper, you can print screen this, or you can Google graph paper, but I want to see nice graphing in your notes. Make it nice and neat. Be proud of your work. See you next class.